Hey kids, don't stand in front of the TV. Go back to sofa.
Hi. Kids are fun, but at the same time, there are challenges too. I have two kids. In many cases, I found they are watching TV very close to it. Here, the objective is to make sure when they are very near to the TV, it should be paused, and when they come back to the sofa, the TV should resume the playback. The tools I used is one Node MCU, ESP8266, Node MCU development kit, ultrasonic sensor, BroadLink RM Pro, and for sure Home Assistant. Here, as you can see, this is ultrasonic sensor, and these are the ports, which is one VCC, one ground, and one trigger, and one eco. Node MCU development board, I use D1 and D2, and on the same time one ground from here and one 5-volt from the development board. Now let's go back to the RM Pro to read the remote sensors data. So here click Learn Infrared, and then you'll get the base 64 code. So you copy the base 64 code and you will use it on the Home Assistant. So here is the Home Assistant configuration file. On the switches, I configured two switches. One is TV play and one is TV pause. You can see that the friendly names and the base 64 codes are here. Once this remote setup is done, you have to go to the automations. Here is the automation part. In automations, you can put any name as you want. And what I have done, I said that if the distance is less than 1.2 meter, more than 3 seconds, then it should trigger the pause button. There should be an announcement from the Google TTS that they should not be very near to the TV, they should go back to the sofa. And after 15 seconds, it will resume playing. So let's see how we configure the same on the ESP Home. In the ESP Home, you can see that the ports are defined here. So now it is the implementation time. Let's see how it looks like.
Hey kids, don't stand in front of the TV. Go back to sofa.